Got a knocking Subaru engine? It's a sound that can send shivers down any car owner's spine. But don't panic just yet. Understanding the problem is the first step to solving it. Don't worry, I've got your back with some simple tips. We'll break down what rod knock is, why it happens, and how you can fix it or even prevent it from happening in the first place. So, what's that knocking noise? It's more than just an annoying sound. It's a signal that something is seriously wrong inside your engine. It's called rod knock, and it's a common problem, especially in older Subarus. This issue can be a real headache if not addressed promptly. Basically, it's when the metal parts inside your engine start to wear out and create a knocking sound. These parts, like the connecting rods and bearings, are crucial for the smooth operation of your engine. Think of it like this. Imagine a loose bolt in a washing machine. It doesn't just make noise, it can cause significant damage over time. It rattles around, making noise and causing damage. The same principle applies to your engine. When the internal components aren't secure, they can cause a lot of harm. Same thing happens inside your engine. The knocking sound is a warning that you shouldn't ignore. Now, what can you do about it? The good news is there are several steps you can take to address and even prevent rod knock. First, check your oil levels regularly. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, and keeping it at the right level is crucial. Low oil can cause more wear and tear, leading to that knocking sound. If your oil levels are consistently low, it might be a sign of a leak or another issue that needs addressing. Make sure you change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Fresh oil helps to lubricate the engine parts, reducing friction and wear. Next, listen to your car. Your vehicle often gives you clues when something is wrong. Pay attention to any unusual sounds. If you hear knocking, get it checked out ASAP. Early detection can save you a lot of money and hassle in the long run. Ignoring it can lead to more expensive repairs down the road. The longer you wait, the more damage can occur, potentially leading to a complete engine failure. Lastly, consider using high-quality oil and fuel. These products can make a significant difference in the longevity and performance of your engine. They can help keep your engine running smoothly and reduce the chances of rod knock. Investing in quality products now can save you from costly repairs later. So there you have it. By staying vigilant and taking these preventive measures, you can keep your Subaru running smoothly for years to come. Keep an ear out, check your oil, and use quality products. These simple steps can make a world of difference. Your Subaru will thank you. Happy driving. Remember, a well-maintained car is a happy car. Safe travels.